Hi there, myself Abhilash. I am running an Excel blog by name excel2excel.com, and in this video I am going to explain how to use VLOOKUP in disorder. Okay, say for example it is an impression by everyone like VLOOKUP works from left to right to extract the values, right? But it is actually not. Okay, we have an optional, we have we can do it differently so that we can even VLOOKUP will extract from right to left. I think you might understand, right? From here, say for example, if you have here, from here you can extract either sales, profits, operational costs, or new customers. For example, if your boss asked what is like in 2009 how many customers we have, so we can use VLOOKUP to extract new customers as 35, right? But what if your boss asked you uh, how to extract, okay, say average customers, okay, which is crossed like average, the number average crossed in which year, okay? Or the other example which I mentioned here, say what is the maximum operational cost that we have incurred, okay, and in which year, maximum operational cost incurred in which year. So operational cost is somewhere here, and in which year we need to extract year here. The one option that we have is we can modify, we can take this column and put it somewhere this side, okay, and use normal VLOOKUP where you get the output, right? But many cases that is not the right process to do it, or it is not the right way of following it, right? When you have huge data, of course in Excel we work, most of us work with huge data. So to avoid all this, we can use VLOOKUP whatever order that we get it in the table of content. Okay, in this particular table you can use VLOOKUP to extract any values from anywhere. Okay, let me tell you how we can do that. To do this we require three functions. Okay, basically we require two functions, but based on this question we require three functions. Okay, first function is, as we are speaking about, it is VLOOKUP. I'm sorry, it is VLOOKUP. The other function is if function, and based on this question we require max function. Okay, so let me use this function here itself, because this it will go out of the recording screen, I'm sorry. So VLOOKUP, okay, what is the lookup value? Lookup value is maximum of operational costs, correct? Okay, and then what is the table array? Here is the logic. Okay, rather than selecting table array from here, like from this cell to here, okay, I'll use if open flower braces 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma value if true is this, value if false is here. Okay, I'll explain you what I am doing here. Okay, let me complete this, and column index number is 3 comma 0, which is exact match. Are we getting the correct answer? Let me hit enter. Yes. So operational cost maximum is 3893 and year is 2014. Let me keep it 383, and let me keep it okay, still 2013 is the highest, right? So it automatically changed the 2013. So now you believe, right? Whatever is the maximum, what depends on the question, whatever is the maximum in operational cost, based on operational cost the year has to be displayed, and it is displayed. Let me explain you how we can do this. Okay, the logic here is if condition. Why we use if condition? Let me see this. See, this is actually works like an array function, okay, because we have used array as flower brackets 1 comma 0 comma 0. Let me press F9 to see the values. I think you can see only few values. It's okay. See, first value is 69, which is operational cost. Second value is 2005, which is related to year, and third value is 2005, which is related to year. So similarly, 120 2006 2006, 190 2007 2007. That's what you can see, right? Only three values you can see. That's fine. So what it is doing is, let me control Z. What it is doing is, it actually takes the value from operational cost and year from E5 to E14. From E5 to E14, it is taking the operational cost, and from B5 to B14, it is actually taking the year. Okay, and 0 comma 0. So what we are doing, we are extracting the third value here. Okay, from if condition we are extracting third value. That means whatever comes, like we have seen 69 comma, let me press F9, 69 comma 2005 and 2005. That means if you say column index number as 3, that means it takes the value of 2005, third option. Okay, see, this is an array function, as you all know, right? Whatever is in a cell 69 comma 2005 comma 2005, that is one set of cells, and again it moves to the different row, so it is divided by semicolon and then keeps going on. Okay, so this actually works like a array function. Okay, so 3 comma 0, why we mentioned 3 comma 0? Because it extracts third value. Okay, let me keep 2 comma 0, still it gives the same value. See, right? So that's all. Either you can use 2 comma 0 or 3 comma 0, that is fine. So this is the basic, this is the logic behind how to do how to use VLOOKUP when we are extracting in disorder values, disorder columns. Okay, so this is the purpose of doing this video. If you like this video, please do share it with on your social networking sites and help your friends who are really in need. Okay, and if you want to to receive such kind of videos, please do register in my website, which is absolutely free. Okay, just click on login or register button. Okay, you will entitled to go through the sign up page. Okay, once you sign up, you will have a link in your email ID which you have mentioned in the sign up. Okay, when you click on the link in your email, your your account is activated in the website. Okay, in my blog, so that you will receive all updates from my blog. Okay, so that's all from my end, and the new year is coming up, so I wish you all a happy new year in advance. Okay, however, I'll be sharing a gift with you all. Let me close this video by 8 minutes now. Okay, see you all, bye bye.